Rack it, Jordan. Rack the gun. Slam another one in. Hurry up. Get him. Bet. Yeah, Jordan. Fuck yeah, you dropped him. Woohoo! Oh, just stop. Let's fucking go. Fucking time. Going home and a shot of whiskey. Smoke a fucking joint.